This is too big for me. Literally. I'm gonna get off this. Stay. Ow, my foot! I'm gonna go over to this one. It's much smaller in my size! Yeah. I love this bike.
He's dumb.
Hi. So what does that shirt say? Bye.
He's an idiot. He's an idiot.
Look at this water puddle. Yo. Oh my gosh. I'm so mad I fell off.